Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate first Abu Dhabi Bank card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to activate your first Abu Dhabi Bank card, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your FAB application. Then simply tap on already a customer and then enter in your ID number and then tap on login. And once you're logged in by using your PIN or Face ID or Touch, what you need to do is select cards on the bottom of your screen. Then once you are inside the card section, what you need to do is select a debit card. Then you'll see the card status as inactive or not activated. Simply tap on activate card and enter the last 4 digits of your card or CVV at the back of your card. Then verify with OTP. FAB sends an OTP by SMS. Simply enter the OTP in the app. Then next is to set your card PIN. Create a 4-digit ATM PIN and then confirm the PIN, and now your card is active and ready to use. The next method is activate at a FAB ATM. It's very easy. Simply insert your FAB debit card into a FAB ATM, then choose activate card on the screen of the ATM machine and enter your customer ID or account number, then set your ATM PIN and the card activates instantly. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.